Here's the stuff you need to use your Ramset. You need a Ramset or other powder actuated driver. You need a heavy hammer. You need some kind of cartridge. They're different power levels. So this is power level 4. This is the green ones are power level 3. I'm just using the 3s because I'm only going into cinder block. Power level 4s would be going into solid concrete. And then you're gonna need some nails. Just size them for what you're gonna do. So make sure you have the thickness of your wood or whatever you're going through, plus like an inch to go into the concrete or more. I'm going through 2-inch foam. And so it insets them into the foam like a 1/2 inch to an inch. So it's still going into the cinder block at least like an inch. But if you're doing foam, so if you're doing wood, you just need nails and cartridges, of course. But if you're doing foam, you're gonna need a big fat washer. These are 1.5-inch washers, I think. Otherwise, the nail would just drive all the way through the foam. Ramset is just kind of like Kleenex. Kleenex is the facial tissue. But you're gonna need your nails. This plastic piece is just gonna hold it centered in the barrel. And then I'm using washers because I'm doing foam. And if I don't use washers, the nails are just going to shoot right through the foam and it's not going to do any good. But if you're just attaching wood to concrete or wood to cinder block, all you need is your nails. And then you're going to have your 22 charge. It doesn't have a bullet in there. It's just the cartridge with powder. You're going to first put your nail in the tip and you see how that plastic holds it centered. And then you put your cartridge in. There's a little hole. You see the cartridges right in there. And then I close it up most of the way. And I'm going to hold this washer on the end like this. But again, if you're just doing wood, you're not going to need a washer. Make sure your whatever you're attaching is where you want it. It's going to be kind of hard to show, I guess, but that'll work. So I'm going to make sure the foam is all the way against. Watch out. Go upstairs. Make sure your Ramset is perpendicular to the wall. And then you're just gonna whack the back end. And as you can see, sometimes it takes a couple hits. Like if you don't hit it right on, it doesn't hit it. You just gotta hit it hard enough and then it'll pound it into the wall for you. It saves a lot of effort. You don't have to drill holes and put in anchors and all that kind of stuff, but that's how to use a Ramset.